It's a good morning.
G'day all, welcome back. Look, today I'm going to make something that I haven't tried yet. I've tried inside, I've cooked it inside, but I haven't cooked it on the open fire. And we're cooking paprika chicken with sour cream, and that'll be with rice. I'm dedicating this meal to my favourite TikTok, well, I would say my biggest fan on TikTok, and his 6-year-old daughter, or their 6-year-old daughter. So I will be using the THERMOMIX on this to make the flavouring up, so I'll be cheating a little bit, but the rest will be done on the fire.
Hey guys, so I'm his biggest fan, so make sure you like and subscribe. His cooking tastes great. And if you want to keep commenting on his TikToks, well, you're just being a fan, so keep going.
Bye.